making slime.
See? I did not open nothing.
And these are the ingredients that we need. It's all in this one package, boxed up. So we're gonna go step by step. We have our materials and we have our ingredients. And this is everything in our box. We're making slime.
Yes. Now I need to open another one.
Alright, this is for you. It's your bottle of your glue, Elmer's glue, and you're gonna pour it all inside the black bowl. Pour it all in. Woo! Yeah, get it all in. Don't touch it yet. Wait, just pour. Do it feel funny? Okay, it's not ready yet though. Keep pouring. I'm gonna put the top back on. We're gonna untwist it, and guess what? We're gonna squeeze it. Oh.
There's no more.
Yes, it is.
The second step.
Whoa!
Keep going. Okay, so now we're getting ready for the second step. The second step is the Elmer's magical liquid. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons in, okay?
It feels like wine.
It feels like slime. Let's see. Keep stirring. Keep stirring.
I gotta take it off.
Okay, you gotta stir it real good. We're gonna do it like this, P.
Yo.
Stir like you baking.
Is it big?
Yep, keep getting it so it can get thicker and thicker, and then it'll turn into slime where you can play.
And we it didn't fly. It fly. Look, slimy. Slimy. Woo! Say like and subscribe.
Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Whoa, my dewy. Peace.
Well, it's like you got caught in a spider web.
Whoa.
That's
I'm gonna tell you.
That's scary.
Wait. Wow.
Gooey, gooey, ooey.
Ooey gooey. Ooey. See guys? Whoa. So slimy. Oh, my door up. Whoa.
Oh, let me try.
No.
Whoa, it was so slimy.
You need to wash your hands again.
Yes.
Ah.
Wow.
Whoa.
AyeJay made this blue slime.
See, it has what sprinkles in it. Sparkly. And I'm gonna make it.
Now this. Ooh.
You see that? Look, you see the hair? Look, here's the hair. Whoa, look at mine. Look at my hand.
Well, I'll be. I hear it squeaking. Now spread it apart. Oh, look at that slime.
Whoa, so dicky.
You
You need to use your spoon.
It's stuck. It's stuck on us, AyeJay. It's never gonna get out. It's stuck. Oh wow.
Mine's not stuck. Mine's not.
like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
I don't get it.